There you go.
Hi guys, this is Sailor Noe, and today I got Snack Crate again. And today it's from Mexico. For now on, we're gonna save the stickers. And let's open it. Yeah, that's why I just do it backwards. Mexico. Yeah. Oh. Toasties. Hey, where's the card? This one doesn't come with the card. This one doesn't come with the card. Haha. Okay, so we got this and donuts, hot chili. No, I don't want to try this. I don't want to try it. Oh yay!
Sure.
I don't know what it's called. It's off the card. I can't. Yes, my favorite. My favorite. Yummy. These. Nom nom nom.
It's all spicy stuff.
We got this and this. Lollipop. And we got 2 chocolate bars. 2 chocolate bars. Oh yeah. These. Peanuts. More peanuts. And that's all. Okay. Now it's time to taste test. Close this box.
You try.
Wow. Oh, this was the thing. This was. Yeah. Panalico. Down Takis. Mexico. This is from Mexico. These are all the candies.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you. Oh, yes. I got this. No. Yes, puppets will like this.
You're gonna try everything.
No! No!
Not that hot.
No! No!
Not even. Try
No!
it. Just try one.
No!
I'll try it out.
No. Ah, I'm better. It's good. I know this is my favorite. Oh, the chocolate. Oh, it is chocolate. I knew it was chocolate. Oh my. Look at this chocolate. It's so good.
It's not spicy.
This is very good. This I'll give it number 1. Not because it's chocolate. It's so good.
Oops. Try that one. Not spicy. I thought it was gonna be spicy. It's not spicy. Good, huh? Hi.
This is my dad. Can you say the taste test with me?
Here you go.
Oh, thanks.
Peanuts.
Peanut.
Eat
Same
it.
for you.
Thank you.
Same for me. I got a big one. Good.
Like it? They're peanuts. They're not spicy.
That one was spicy.
No, I'm not. You know, these are spicy.
I know, I don't want to try them.
You don't want to try this? So Daddy can have them?
You can have them, Daddy. Show yourself in the video.
I did already.
No, sit next to me.
You show them the stickers?
These are the stickers I showed in the beginning. Me and my mom are gonna save these for our final video. No.
Wanna stick it?
Never mind.
You gonna try this?
No, no one's gonna try these. My dad is. He's gonna tell us if it's good or not.
Not spicy.
Mm.
What do you get next week?
Huh?
What do you get next week?
It's mysteries. They're all mysteries. I get them once each month. Mm.
So like the candy from Mexico? Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Tell everybody that you hope they're okay from the earthquake.
Well, if you're watching this in Mexico, from Mexico, hopefully you are safe. Hopefully you guys are okay from Harvey hurricane.
That's in Texas.
Oh, Texas.
Talk about earthquake.
Not the earthquake thing in Mexico. And if you're watching this in Texas, hopefully you are safe too from Hurricane Harvey.
Okay.
In my school, Hancock School, we helped you guys because we gave you school materials for your school for Texas. Wow. Hope you guys like them and bye.
See you later.
See you later and thanks for watching. Bye.